So REBT basically focuses on this ABC model. A is the activating event, which means a situation that results in feeling of frustration or upset. Something happens to you or in the environment around you. And B is the belief, which means you have a belief or interpretation regarding the activating event. Belief can be rational beliefs and irrational beliefs that lead us to C. C is the consequence. So C means a frustrating reaction to your self-defeating behaviors that you want to change, means that your belief has consequence that include feelings and behaviors and your frustrating reactions, your self-defeating behaviors that you want to change. For example, anger, anxiety, depression, feeling of worthlessness, low. So once you are at new consequences. So dispute includes that you challenge yourself by saying, where is the evidence that my belief is true? Is my thinking logical? Is that true? So once you challenge your D, then comes the E, which is effective new belief, which means adaptation and implementation of new adaptive beliefs. So REBT approach to change wants to change your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors and their consequences. So like A is the activating event. For example, in a situation, a son returns home and goes to room without speaking. So there's a family, jinka beta, the son returns to home and goes to room without speaking. So this is the activating event. So the thought the mother formed regarding this behavior is that he is ungrateful and discourteous. So she has formed that belief thought, and her opinion, attitude, and expectation would be that my son is rude. So because of this belief and this thought, she develops the feeling of anger. So in order to move to D and challenge his dispute, she thought of one consequence would be that I should go and argue with my son, and the effect would be that you both will destroy the relationship, damage, and there will be no talking in between them. So this could be one consequence. But she adopted dispute, which is she liked it. She wanted to challenge and then thought of thinking that is my thinking is true and logical. Then she jumped, and rather than jumping into conclusions, she said, I am jumping to conclusions. Is there a possible alternative explanation? So after thinking all this, she thought of a new consequence, which is a rational consequence, that go to son's room and have friendly talk with him. So the effect would be that the relationship will build, and there will be more confidence and trust, and both will be happy. So the mother thought in such way, and this is the result of her thinking. So another examples of turning a symptom into an activating event. I did my job today, so I feel anxious, depressed, and worthless. So belief is that isn't it that horrible, and consequence would be anxiety, depression, worthlessness, and intensified feelings of anxieties, depression, and worthlessness. So one more example I would like to take, that I asked Jackie, there's a person who asked Jackie out on a date and she said no. So this was Jackie's activating event. Then he developed an irrational faulty belief regarding it. I will never find love, because she said no to him. Then emotional consequences, that now he feels hopeless and depressed, and he said I don't want to do anything. So then challenging the disputing beliefs that he said to himself would be, it is okay, there are other fish in the sea, and I am a great catch. So REBT basically wants people, their clients and patients, to think in more rational ways and challenge your irrational thoughts in order to think in more rationally.